Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're looking for a makeup kit that's travel-friendly but still delivers on quality and versatility, today's product review might just be your new best friend. We'll be taking a close look at the 5-in-1 Travel Makeup Kit by Subtl Beauty. This kit is designed to meet the needs of busy lives while also being travel-friendly. So let's dive in. The Subtl Beauty 5-in-1 Travel Makeup Kit combines 5 essential makeup products into one stackable, portable design. It includes a crease-proof, pigmented eyeshadow duo in a warm champagne shimmer and a rich brown matte. Along with that, you get a luminous cream highlighter in rosé, a versatile lip and cheek tint in terracotta, a powder blush in a cool tone purple pink, and a long-lasting lip balm. The kit also comes with a mini brush and a travel mirror, making it perfect for on-the-go use. I've had the chance to test out this kit, and what stands out immediately is how compact and space-efficient the entire set is. The stackable design is an excellent feature for those looking to minimize packing space. It's easy to throw in your purse or carry-on bag, which is great for frequent travelers or those who don't want to carry bulky makeup cases. Plus, the colors are versatile, working well across different skin tones, whether you're doing a full glam look or just a quick, fresh-faced routine. When it comes to performance, here's how these products held up in real-world testing. The eyeshadow duo is nicely pigmented, with the champagne shimmer offering a subtle, radiant finish, while the brown matte is perfect for depth or defining the crease. The cream highlighter is easy to blend, offering a dewy glow without being too overpowering. The lip and cheek tint in terracotta has a natural finish that's both hydrating and buildable, great for a no-fuss, everyday look. As for the blush, it's a cool tone purple pink that may seem bold at first, but it blends effortlessly into the skin for a nice flush of color. And of course, the lip balm is lightweight, unflavored, and keeps your lips feeling moisturized without any greasy residue. Now let's take a closer look at the pros and cons. On the positive side, the stackable design is a game changer for those who need a compact kit. The formulas are great for dry, sensitive skin, which is a plus for people with more delicate skin types. Additionally, everything in this kit is vegan, cruelty-free, and free from parabens, talc, and gluten, which adds value for the health-conscious consumer. On the flip side, the size of the products might be a bit small for those used to larger makeup containers. Also, while the blush and highlighter shades are flattering on many, they might not suit everyone's preferences. Some might find the cool tone blush less versatile. Is this product worth the price? When compared to other travel kits, the Subtl Beauty 5-in-1 Travel Makeup Kit stands out for its unique stackable design and high-quality ingredients. However, for the price, some might expect a larger amount of product in each category. Still, considering the size and the fact that you get everything in one compact kit, it's a solid investment for travelers or those looking for a minimalist beauty routine. In terms of alternatives, there are other travel makeup kits out there, but the Subtl Beauty Kit is one of the most portable and thoughtfully designed ones. Brands like Fenty Beauty or Urban Decay offer travel-sized products too, but they may not have the same level of versatility in one kit as this one does. As for build quality, the stackable design is sturdy and the materials feel durable. The mirror and brush are great bonuses for on-the-go application, and everything clicks together securely, so you won't have to worry about loose pieces rattling around. I didn't have any direct interactions with Subtl Beauty's customer support during my testing, but the brand's reputation for creating eco-friendly, practical makeup products suggests they are committed to customer satisfaction. If you're someone who loves simplicity and efficiency, this 5-in-1 travel makeup kit is a solid choice. It's perfect for those who need a reliable, compact makeup solution for travel or everyday use, with thoughtful formulations that cater to sensitive skin. While it might not be for those who prefer larger sizes or a wider variety of shades, it does its job well. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other makeup lovers can discover this product too. Your support helps others make informed decisions. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in purchasing this kit, the link can be found in the comments box below. Feel free to share your thoughts or experiences with this product if you've already tried it out. Until next time, stay beautiful with Beautyistic.